Hi guys, on Monday we're going to work on page 115. Okay, so we have write a description of a photo. We're going to complete the first part. Okay, then we're going to complete the exercise edit. Okay, some of these sentences have errors. Find the errors and correct them. So you have the example, and then we're going to work in the notebook, okay, on page 116. And we have write. You are going to take a photograph of your family or friends to class. You are going to write a paragraph about the people in the photo, okay, and you are going to use possessives and demonstratives. Okay, remember first brainstorm, then you are going to write a first draft, and then you are going to edit. Okay, then you are going to review, and finally you are going to rewrite your draft. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye.